What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different. I normally don't do unboxings, but for today, we're replacing these. Now, these were great when I made them. So they're the OEM headlights. They actually came off of the parts car that repaired the front end. So I would say they have like over 350,000 kilometers on them. So like the plastic's cracking. It was very dirty when I ripped them open and modified them. And don't get me wrong, I modified them and they looked great, but within the first, I think, couple months, it started fading right away. So I put a halo in it. That was a switchback, so it went amber and white for the day running light. And also I added this strip right here, which was white, and then also a switchback, but also, well, it was a sequential. So it would signal with it. It looked awesome. I blacked out the housing as well, but I did like a metallic kind of like sheen thing to it, almost like an oil slick. And it looks great, and it was fairly cheap for me to do. It was very time consuming, but stopped signaling. No, both of them signaled. One of them stopped running for the daylight, and then like the angel eye is like half working for him. So yeah, it's rough. I mean, I could fix them up, but so today we're gonna unbox some eBay headlights. I've never seen people run them. There's another style that people run, and it's very similar to the newer STIs. This one specifically I have not seen, and it is already looking good. I've always wanted to put a nice headlight on this car, and I feel like after painting it, it really deserves it, if I can take this out. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? I actually really like these. I think it's gonna look slick. What I am gonna complain about right off the bat, there's a green wire right there. That's kind of annoying. Also looks like there's a little bit of like glue or something right there. I'm gonna live with it. It is what it is. But I have to say, they look great. The fact that's there, that's really annoying. I could live with that. That's whatever. That little bit of glue. But that green wire stands out really bad. So that's annoying. The other ones look okay. There's no green wire, which is nice. If you can see that. I mean, they look great. There's a little bit of like black stuff right there. I mean, maybe in the future, maybe I'll take them apart and maybe put some RGBs in this or something, or put like the demon eye, which would be pretty sweet. But I think for now, they look great. I'm just gonna run them as is. So yeah, mine are modified, but what I liked about them is they're pretty similar to the OEM ones for kind of like the layout. Whereas the other ones, I believe, like it was a big orange thing here or something. I really like this. It was OEM plus in my opinion. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys in. Yeah. Oh man, this is sick. This is so sick. Oh, I love it. I think it's great. Especially with the sea light, I think it's gonna look amazing next to the 2018 STI. So hopefully I get this done soon so we take some photos. These look amazing in person. Amazing. I'm obsessed. I think it's the best aftermarket ones you can get. You can see it's a little saggy. It does need to get pulled up a bit. That's to be expected just because everything's not lined up. Without destroying everything. That's the fun part. Look at that view. Wow, it looks good in the rain, I gotta say. Yeah, these headlights are sick. They're too sick. It's another day. Hopefully make some progress today. But yo, look at this. Jeez. I need to get those fog lights in. Once I get the yellow fogs in, it's gonna pop. It's gonna look crazy. Need to give that bumper a polish still. Since it's raining, I was thinking about getting the interior all back together just because I'm tired of going in a car that has a interior that's all apart. I don't think it'll take too long. I think we'll have it done today. I do really want to get the door handles on. Like, it's gonna look so sick. I mean, the car as is already looks really sweet, so just coming along. I love it. I love it. It's a shame, man. It's a shame it's gonna be a winter beater. It really is. Like, just look at that. With the rain and the blue. It's dirty. I'm really happy I went with this. I was really debating on it, but I think I made the right decision. I think with the blue, it just really pops. Once again, hopefully you can hear me over now with the vacuum going. I was gonna wait a bit to record this. It hasn't stopped going off, so I'm just gonna hopefully speak loud enough so you can hear me. I just put in my old fog lights. I was gonna change the yellow film and put new film, but I was kind of like, maybe let's keep the old one, just kind of like a throwback. One of the first mods that I did that are still on the car. So it's, you know, it's not the perfect looking film. It's not the best looking film, but I think it'll be a nice little homage to, like, you know, where I came from and just the beginning of the car and the build and whatnot. We're at the point now we can throw these on. Everything's dirty. So to put these on, if I can remember, you gotta slide the top in, the back. Ow. Just put that in. That's pretty simple to go on. You can even get carbon fiber ones of these. I'm not a huge fan of the carbon fiber ones. I find they just stick out too much. They're not the best, so let's throw the other one in. That's it. Other than being dirty, they look pretty good. That's that. It looks crooked on the screen. I think it's straight. It's hard to tell. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you want to see what's coming up, subscribe. If you got a comment, any questions, feel free to ask. I know a little bit. I don't know everything, so you know. And as always, take it easy.